Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to split an image or designs easily in Canva. It's perfect for maybe Instagram carousel posts, grids, or any multi-slide layout like this. And okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just create or open your designs. And then next, just go to apps and then just search for the image splitter, this one, and then just click this apps, just choose this app. And then next, just select your photo, or even you can also select your entire designs. And then next, just adjust the number of rows that you want, and then number of columns, and then further options over here. For example, I will make it 4, and then you can adjust the further positions. You can choose inner or outer like this. And when you're done about the settings, just simply tap on split image like this. Like this, you will get the split results. And then next you can adjust the add, and then next you can just add the split result directly one by one at the canvas, or you can also add to the canvas as a grid like this. Just choose one that you like. For example, I want to just add to designs as a grid directly like this, and then so just simply tap on add grid to designs. And okay, like this, you can see the results like this, the grid results. And then you can also adjust or ungroup the grid, so you can split the photo. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.